Okay, I'm gonna show you the safety between RC cars and cars. Here. Just a run over test. This one is already used. This one hasn't been working since 2019, so here. So let's say this is the RC car, the Brave. And what happens? Can an RC car do damage? Should they be street legal? You be the judge. Oh, so it didn't do this much damage to it did damage to the RC car, but look at what it did. Look at what it did. So, I don't think RC cars should be street legal. So, maybe they shouldn't be allowed on roads because they can cause an accident, and also they don't have the safety features that they have like on modern cars. You get it? So plus they don't have turn signals, like they're like the dirt bike. So I wouldn't suggest you ride one on a public road. So these RC cars should probably be off-road, or for off-road use only. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to leave a comment and subscribe for more. I'll see you next time for another crash test video.